Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us for this year's Black Friday sale. This is our biggest sale of the year and the one and only time we offer 25% off both new memberships and account upgrades. It's the perfect time to become a new member or to finally take the leap and upgrade your existing account to a lifetime membership. And because this is such a special occasion, we've gone above and beyond to make sure becoming an Elegant Themes member is the best investment you make all year. In addition to getting our biggest discount of all time on Divi itself, you'll also gain access to our Black Friday perks page in the Elegant Themes members area. Here you will find even more amazing Black Friday deals from our 36 Black Friday partners with the highest percentage off deals they're offering this year. And as if all that were not enough, our design team has created exclusive thank you gifts in form of landing page layouts, Divi theme builder template packs, a WooCommerce product layout pack, and custom Divi headers and footers, all available instantly after purchase and 100% free. To get in on all this Divi amazingness, go to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday or click the link in the description and become a new member or upgrade your account today. If you are already a lifetime member, feel free to go straight to your members area's perk page and enjoy our thank you gifts and partner discounts. Today, we're highlighting gift number 2, the Startup Divi Theme Builder Pack. This pack has a modern yet flexible design that will impress the visitors of any startup company. The pack includes 8 complete templates, even 2 separate product page templates that will give any startup website a completely professional makeover in just a few seconds. In this video, we'll show you how to download the pack and use it on your very own Divi website. Stay tuned till the end of the video for a closer look at gift number 2. All of the Theme Builder Pack downloads can be found in your members area. To access the downloads, you must first log into the members area with the username and password created when you signed up as a member. Once you're logged in, you'll see a tab on the right-hand side that says Black Friday Perks. Go ahead and click that. Now beneath that, you'll see a section called Theme Builder Templates. Go ahead and click the button that says Download the Pack. Once that's downloaded, you'll now have a zip folder, which we're going to go ahead and unzip. Now let's go ahead and open up this folder, and inside here at the bottom, we have the Divi Theme Builder Pack Startup. This is the folder that we're looking for. Now within this folder, we have 9 different JSON files. 8 of them can be used to import each of the templates individually. However, if you want to import everything all at once, all you would have to do is select this file, Divi Theme Builder Pack Startup.json. Before we get ahead of ourselves, I recommend that you download a backup of any existing theme builder templates on your site before importing the new theme builder pack. Don't worry, this is really easy to do. Go ahead and click the portability icon, and from here, we're just going to give our theme builder template a name. Now just go ahead and click Export Divi Theme Builder Template. And just like that, it's now given us our own JSON file, so if we ever want to revert our website to how it looked in the beginning, we would simply import this. So let's say your theme builder is completely empty and you're ready to import this brand new theme builder pack. To do this, we're simply going to click on the portability icon. Now we're going to go over to the import tab. At this point, we want to select our file. Don't forget, we have to go to Divi Theme Builder Packs, then Divi Theme Builder Pack Startup. And from here, we could either select just one template or we can import all of them at once with the Divi Theme Builder Pack Startup. Since you don't have any templates currently installed on your site, you don't have to be worried about any of these options. We're just going to go ahead and click Import. This will import all the templates included in the pack to your website with the assignments in place. And boom, just like that, everything is all set up and ready to go. However, if you do scroll to the bottom, you'll see one template is unassigned. This template is the second product page template included in the pack. So if you prefer the second one over the first, all we would have to do is hover over, go to Settings, and then from here, we're just going to scroll down to where it says All Products. We're going to check that, and you'll see that it says this item is assigned to another template. Saving will override and remove its current assignment. But that's okay. We don't want to use product template 1. We want product template 2. So just go ahead and save your changes and you'll see the first one is now unassigned and the second one is assigned to all products. In most cases, we do recommend that you test these new theme builder packs out on a testing or staging site so that you can import all the templates at once without having to worry about overriding existing templates or interfering with the current design of your live site. However, if you do want to import new theme builder templates to a live site with existing templates, you need to familiarize yourself with the options available. Here's the thing, you can only have one default website template on your theme builder at a time. So if you want to import a new one, you have to choose between the two. Here's how that would work. Go over to the portability icon, click import, and let's select our file. I'm going to select the default template from the startup builder pack. This is the option that matters. Override the default website template. So if I keep this selected, the startup default template will override the one that's currently on my website. On the flip side, if I'm importing the entire builder pack and I do not want the startup default website template to be used, I would uncheck this option. If you want the imported templates to override the existing assignments, you need to make sure that you're checking this box. Allow import to override existing assignments. Now, if you keep this unchecked, what's going to happen is it's going to become unassigned. I'll show you what that looks like. So we'll just scroll down and you'll see here at the bottom, it's currently unassigned. These theme builder packs have a global header and footer linked to each of the templates. If you're importing one or more of the templates to a site that already has a global header and footer, you can choose to adopt the existing global header and footer on the import. This is how you do it. Go over to the portability icon and click import and choose your file. Let's just grab the category page. I'm not going to select any options here and I'm just going to click import. And here you can see the first option is to relink them to this website's global header, body, and or footer. And there we go. Just go ahead and click import. This would basically allow you to import the body area of the new template and relink the body area to the global header and footer of the existing site. On the flip side, the global headers and footers linked to templates can be imported as static layouts without overriding existing global elements. And that is exactly what this other option is for. By selecting this option, you could have the header and footer attached to the template only display on that individual template and not globally. Now, before we go, let's check out this quick tip. If you want to test out one of these theme builder pack templates on your existing website to see how it looks without having to apply the template site-wide, you can import a new template and assign it to one post, product, page, or category on your site. For example, let's say you want to test a new post template on your site. To do this, we're going to go to the portability settings, import, and select our file. We'll simply select the post startup.json file. Be sure to unselect any of these options because we do not want to override anything. Now we're going to click import. And here we want to make sure we select import them as static layouts. And again, click import. Now I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page, and this right here is our new post template. Now I'm going to click on settings, and from here, I'm going to go ahead and choose a specific post. I'll choose test post. Now I'm going to save my changes. Now here in the post section, here's the test post. I'm going to go ahead and view it. And there we go. That post template is now applied to this test post and only this test post. If we like how that template looks and we want to make it permanent, we're going to go back here into the settings, and instead of just choosing a specific post, we're going to go ahead and apply it to all posts. As you can see by this warning, this will override our current post template. So keep that in mind, and if that's okay with you, click save. And just like that, our template is now applied to all posts. So let's take a closer look at the Startup Divi Theme Builder Pack. As you can see, this is the post page. Here is the category page. This is the 404 page. Check out the user page. This is product page template number 1. And finally, product page number 2. We hope you enjoy our Black Friday gift number 2, the Startup Divi Theme Builder Pack. If you like what you see here, definitely be sure to check out our Black Friday sale to get this layout pack and much more. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We hope that you're enjoying our 2019 Black Friday deal and all the special prizes, bonus deals, and freebies that come with it. If you haven't taken advantage of it yet, don't wait. This deal won't last long, and it'll be a whole year before anything this good comes around again. Go to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday and become a new member or upgrade your account today. To make it even easier, we've put the link in the video description. Don't miss out. It really is the best investment you can make for your website this year. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.